major scale? What is a minor scale? What is a pentatonic scales? What is the mixolydian scales? What is triads? What is interval? You know, how are chord constructed? What is the diatonic scales? What is the chromatic scales? You know, how was the diatonic scales extracted from the chromatic scales to form the musical structure in the Western Hemisphere? What is octave? Why do we hear octave? So in this one particular video, we venture specifically into the theoretical aspect of music. What is a ledger line? What is the time signature? What is a treble clef? What is a G clef? You know, what is a staff? What is a note? You know,